I'll also be, and then here, and then over here we have our 3D printer, and someone print this octopus over here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so again, like you melt the filament and it prints layer by layer. So it might take some time, but it prints really useful things for projects. You can print gears, anything to hold your microcontrollers maybe. Very interesting. All right, and I was gonna show you a presentation about okay. I was going to show you a presentation about microcontrollers, specifically Arduinos. So let me, open. Okay, two angles for you. So I'll open the presentation. Can you guys see it?
Yes.
I don't. Oh, okay. Okay. So Arduinos, what are they? Does anyone have have anyone ever heard of them before? Just raise your hand. Okay, we have a few hands raised. So Arduinos, they're used to make. Can you see the pictures? I had pictures up here, but I don't know where it went. But they're used to make like you can make any projects with them. Like I'm gonna show you in a minute, but one of these cars, small electric cars, and you can make you can put them on the board and put some LED pins and light them up to follow like a certain theme song based on your favorite theme song, anything like that. You can make, there's like a lot of projects you can make with it. It's very fun. I'm gonna show you like a little synthesizer made with it too. I've seen some people make like a door lock system with it. So it can be as complex as you like or like as simple as you want. So it is essentially a microcontroller, which is like a small computer, but not really. It just controls what you want to do with your sensors, with your motors, all that, whether you want it to be on when certain conditions are met, whether you want your lights to turn on if it's too hot in the room, or if it finds like a green line, it can like readjust its path and move towards that. So yeah, and then does anyone want to contribute what they're used for, like microcontrollers in general?
Sorry, can't they be used controlling robots and stuff like that?
Yeah, definitely. Like robotic, you can make robotic arms. Yeah, for sure. That's one of those. Some people can make drones as well, quadcopter, things like that. So yeah, it's very fun. You can make a lot of things with it, and they're found in every like microcontrollers in general. They're found in everything. Your computer, your car, airplanes. But yeah, they're found in pretty much everything. That kind of has its own mind. So let's, without further ado, I'm gonna show you the line tracking, the line tracking robot. So I'll show you how it works. Let me turn on camera. There we go. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this here. So you see, so hello. Yeah, so let's see. Let me just check. Which one it was. What was this one? Yeah. So this one has like IR sensors at the bottom. IR sensors at the bottom, and it can detect the change in contrast. So whenever it sees like the black line, it'll look again and like try to readjust to that. So it keeps like moving right and left, trying to readjust on the black line. So, which is just electrical tape, by the way. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. And sometimes it likes to jump off of things, but okay. There we go. So follow the line. And sometimes it would turn around, but there we go. Keeps looking for it, and then readjust. Yeah, so that's really fun. There's another one. Let me check if this one's it. Something is not connected. I think that one, yeah. Can you? Thank you. Okay. So this one, let me explain this. So this one has little like ultrasonic sensors. So those little eyes are, so those little eyes send an ultrasonic wave, and if it comes back quickly, then the object is close. And if it takes a while to come back, then you know there's nothing there, and that's where you can move. So let's try this out. I'm gonna put my hand, so it's gonna stop. Keep checking, and there it goes where my hand wasn't. So let's try again. Whoa. There we go. And it goes the other way, to the side that wasn't in my hand, but down my hand. So yeah, so I was also gonna show you this. Oh, let me like, you can stop. Okay. Okay, so this is like a little synthesizer. There we go. I think this is the problem. There. So yeah, so I don't know if you can hear it. This is the little speaker. Oh. There we go. So when I turn the knobs, the sound will change. And those are like little potentiometers. So you're just changing the resistance, and that changes the sound with it. And that one also uses like an Arduino as well. Kind of sounds like an old video game. Okay. I'll turn it off. Can you guys hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It does.
yeah, like an Atari console or something like that. So yeah. And I was just going to show you this. What? Oh yeah, you can turn off the light. That'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can turn it off. Okay, so there's this like little orb. I'm not getting electrocuted, so I can like touch it, and it won't electrocute me at all. So that's pretty fun. Ah! He's good. So yeah, so this is, he's very on. Yeah. And this one is like a 555 timer. It's just like an enlarged one. I thought I can show it too. Ooh. So it's like, it's pretty big, but usually their sizes are really small. Like they're usually like this size. So like this little. So you see this like black square? It's usually this size. It's this 555 timer is usually this size, and what you can do with a 555 timer, you can actually make a synthesizer. I just didn't have a usable one, and like the one I just showed you, and it has like a lot of transistors, resistors, and all that. It's just in this like small chip IC, so that's integrated circuit. So yeah, so it's really fun, and that I was going to do. Oh, this is another. Oh my god. This used to be a wireless charger, kind of. So I had it connected, but you basically do a certain number of windings in twice, and then you connect them a certain way to the battery and to the LED that's supposed to light up on the second part. So that's how your wireless charging phone or your toothbrush, I don't know if anyone has that, but that's how it works. So it's just magnetic coils, I mean, just copper coils that if you put them on top of each other because of the current going through it, you'll get like an electromagnetic field. And once you put them on top of each other, it lights up the LED, or in some cases your phone. So yeah, there's that. I was gonna also do like a little Kahoot. So let me stop sharing my screen. Right. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Okay, sweet. So it's really easy questions. You can guess if you don't know, that's totally fine. And should be fun. Oh wait. Oh, there we go. So the code, so just go to kahoot.it. So that's 6660044 for the code. And just put that code in and your name should pop up here. All right. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Anthony. All right, am I? Stephanie. Okay. Rosie. Is there like a background music or no? I don't hear it. Oh.
I can't.
Yeah, I can't hear it either, so I don't know. Okay, I'll start. Oh, all right. Thank you, Lana. Okay. Emma.
Got some questions?
Like if you take the screen and then you can press share audio.
Yeah, I thought, but like I'm not having it pop up, you know, like when you go up and it pops up. I don't even hear it myself, so I don't know. There we go. Now we know. Can you hear it? No? I think I got it. I got it. Okay, I'm gonna start.
I hear it now.
So, which of the following is not a programming language? Is it A, Python, Java, C? All right, yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that is not a programming language. So, okay. Next question: what did we use to move the Lego car? We use a timer, FPGA, Arduino. Yeah, we use an Arduino to move the Lego cars. So these ones. So. Okay, and 3D printing can be as small as, so not necessarily the one we have, but in general, how small can you 3D print a coin, a pencil's tip, or an ant's forehead? What do you think? Guess. An ant's forehead, yeah, that's right. That's how small you can print. Pretty small, not with ours, but in general. Small, really, really small. So I know they made like a sculpture or something with 3D printing. So it's pretty cool. And all right, Emma's in the lead. Sunsets on Mars appears. So the Mars rover landed yesterday. So how do you think it sees the sunset over there? Blue, green, red, or orange? Guess. It's actually blue. We're gonna Google it. Yeah, it's actually blue. So it's kind of the opposite of Earth. So you know how sunsets are like during the day it's blue. Over there during the day it's like red or orange. So yeah, it's pretty fun. Okay, this one is more just input from you. What was your favorite part of the exhibit? Was it the robots, the orb, the motors? The synthesizer. Melissa says the synthesizer. So. Okay, thank you. Yeah. All right, glad you enjoyed that part. Okay, let's see who won. I wasn't really paying attention. Jenna comes in third. Aman. And first is it Stephanie? I knew it. All right, congrats. Okay, that's great. Also, I was gonna say, so that's the end of the exhibit, but I was gonna say if anyone wants to stay back and try to code one of these, if anyone wants to give that a shot, I'll tell you what to click, what to put. I already have the code written up. So, or everyone can stay and give it a shot. Oh my god, the Kahoot music is still going on. Okay, I turned it off, but okay. Where's the? Can you pass me my bag? Yeah. Thank you. So we're just gonna make it move forward and backwards. Let me. No. All right. Asking for updates.
So what program the Arduino?
What coding language? It's C. Yeah, it's C. So So yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna connect it over here to the Arduino. So this is the Arduino right here. Can I see it? Okay. This is it right there. So I'm just connecting it to that. This was previously the object detection. So okay, so I'm gonna like walk you through it a little bit. So we just assign each pin a name. So we're assigning each pin a name, and then we're assigning what type, if it's an input or output, and whether we want it to be like high or low initially. So over here, we just assign, okay, so one motor, so we have 4 motors, right? Because we have 4 wheels. So each motor would be either high or low. And high means it's on, and low means it's off. So if we do like force it to be one of the motors to be high, then it's going to be on and the wheel will turn. But if we force one of the motors to be low, then it's off and it will stop. So if we have these two are on, these two, then it will move forward. The left wheel would go forward, and so will the right wheel. So it'll move, like the whole thing would move forward. We don't need all of them on, because once you have the first 2 on, the whole thing would move forward, right? And then for all of them low, meaning what? They're all off. So these 3 over here. And then these, this one is just a delay, a little, I think it's in microseconds, so it's 500 microsecond delay, or milliseconds, I believe. Millisecond delay, and then all of them turn off, and then another delay, so it's just gonna stop for a minute, and then again, the left wheel will go back, and the right wheel will go back too. And then again, both of them are off, so the thing is gonna stop. So does anyone want to try, like, I'll just upload it to the Arduino right away and show you. So, oh, it should give me an error. So let's see. Can they see the card?
I think it was like super conservative.
Nice. It's connected. Oh, I think I had to do that. Okay.
So when you're in the car, there'll be this is
Should work. Okay.
Nothing. We never had to use this kit. Like it's an emergency.
Sometimes my port is like.
The battery will actually go into you, and there'll be a back hub motor remote.
Yeah, you're right. Like select the port.
We have gloves usually. I don't know what you rate, but they have a.
Okay, so it's done uploading. Let's see if it works. So. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on. Hello. Okay.
We balanced you out. Oh, to get to shoot, I didn't even know you in there. Hi. She's wandering wide open. So he just went and picked up the lids all these folks? Yeah.
Right.
So I'm
something's not connected.
Like in the bottom. So like right under your chin, there's like a lever.
Okay.
New one?
There we
And then you can flip it.
It's like not connected well, but there we go. It just keeps moving front and back. Yeah, that's it. Just don't want to run over my thing, but can they see it? No. Yeah. So that is it. Does anyone have any questions? Any comments? Anything you'd like to see more of? How does this thing work? Sure. What?
Are you able to make it tomorrow?
Wait, I can't hear you.
Only thing is, maybe I would like to see someone driving first.
One second. Let me.
2-hour break. They have track open for practice. And what they do for new drivers is that they kind of caution to the car.
Where's my headphones? Oh, I left that at home. But can you try again? Yes.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, whatever. After soft soul running too, so it's really.
Did you hear it?
Some like
Wait. Can you type your question?
I don't know. I hope not. Because last time it rained, we tried to.
It's pretty loud in here.
Okay, well, for the first one, we'll still do it unless it's like really loud.
Yeah, they'll do a little. Yeah, they'll do a rain delay.
Let's see what oh, it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow.
Yeah, so it's like a electric charge. So you're kind of completing the circuit from your hand. So it's kind of attracted to that, but because of the orb, it won't. The electricity is like attracted to your hand, but because of the orb, it won't directly touch it, but it's still attracted to it, kind of like a Tesla coil. You have it like set up at a certain frequencies that will not be able to touch your hand, even if you're inside or Yeah, even if you're inside the cage. Hope that answers the question.
We're back into here's where I put it to our cycle and all the people. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, thank you for that question, Anthony. Anyone else have any questions?
Yep. Motor and the birthdays right around there. I'm actually gonna plug it in a bit, but
All right.
see the charge of the battery. This is our second.
This is the end of the exhibit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and mute your mic. I know I might be able to hear you, but
More about it. Because you guys have talked about like that, so I have a question. All right, but
It's been a while, right?
yeah, that was like last semester. We got 100 lithium-ion cells, and we're gonna make our own battery.
okay. Thank you everyone for coming. If you have any questions or have any comments,
Yeah, I got.
feel free to like throw them in the chat. Yeah, sure. Go ahead and ask
And
away.
essentially what this one is.
Leon.
It's 100 cells, 20 series 5 rows of barrel, 100 total cells, which will give us, these are also this.
I don't think we have. But I think I'm currently working on one. It's just like a little car, and it's the same thing. It's essentially the same thing, but the what's it called? The little like chassis is raised and without like the second level. So I'm currently working on that, but I don't think essentially if I were neither up nor down. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. I've heard people work on it before. So like it can turn. So if it encounters an obstacle, it can like flip over, something like that. I feel like that would be really awesome. And if you want to build it, like go for it. It's really fun. Like a bi-directional thing, right?
What's the number?
Well, some of them, not all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely.
No problem, Mama. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, just like I said, I'll
It's my little sister. Yeah, because her last name like is mine. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, just had but I have my own car, so I can drive there. But if you need help, like someone coming in here in the morning, helping me get the car.
Thank you.
I'll do it. I work for, I work at a taxi, that's really matter, because the rest should be on.
Yeah, like, absolutely is what you're back here for.
Oh, no, so I should be.
Yeah, that can come back, but then you just leave it. But I'm gonna head down straight there.
Yeah, I do like 5 minutes.
Any other comments? I see some people typing, so I'll just wait a minute.
Tomorrow, that's fine.
Can I put this back?
I'm gonna be here a little early, but I'm meeting here.
So, we'll do it.
Yes, I will need help a little.
Is it gonna be just you here on that?
Yeah, typically, I mean, if we carpool, I say, because we up here, load everything, and then you guys do my dad's truck.
I'm not actually corporation. And then we can parcel. Yeah, it used to be good.
Whatever the easiest way.
Yeah, yeah, you can do my parcel and parcel.
No, that's good.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, I got my slide on it.
So,
Yeah, Ari can turn your mic on if you'd like.
another question. We have to work with math.
While you're ready.
You do not have to live math like that. So, when you're in the car.
If not, then thank you guys for coming. It was really fun.
But you don't have to have a mask.
Thank you, Anthony and Stephanie.
People, but you don't have to have it on like
Wait, someone's typing. I'm like, someone's typing. No. What? Oh, okay. Thank you. No problem. Thank you for stopping by. All right. Thank you, everyone. Okay, I'll see you guys.